Big Bird is an average bird that no one understands. Bert and Frank and Elmo always giving him commands. Doom and gloom up in his room is broken down instantly by his magic little fresh grant his every wish, 'cause in reality they are his odd parents, fairly godparents, wands and wings, floaty, crowny things, godparents, fairly godparents, really bud, pea pod, buff pod, hot rod, obtuse rubber goose, green wolf, quadrature, snake, birthday cake, large fries, chocolate shake. Godparents, fairly godparents. It flips your lid when you were a bird with fairly godparents. Yeah, right.
Today's episode is called Big Bird Meets Cosmo and Wanda. Hi there. Hello. Hi. What's your names? I'm Cosmo, and I'm Wanda. Hello, Cosmo and Wanda. I'm Big Bird. And what may we do for you? Can you grant me a wish? Sure. What wish would you like? Yeah, what wish would you like? Let's see. I can go to Dragonland. Wish granted. Pew! I'm in Dragonland.
Oh, hi, Big Bird. It's me, Ord.
Hi, Ord.
Welcome to Dragonland. It's great to see you again.
You too, Ord. It's great to be here.
What are you doing here?
Nothing.
Oh. You want some dragon corn?
Oh, sure. Well, I better be getting back.
See ya.
I wish to use this rhyme to go back home. Until next time. Pew! I'm back. How was your trip to Dragonland, Big Bird? It was great, Wanda. That's great. Thanks, Cosmo. So, was there any other wishes you wish for? I wish for birdseed. Poof! And I wish for some new roller skates. Pew! And a new hat. Pew! I wish for everything. Pew, 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 pew. Poof, 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 poof. Oh, it looks like you're out of wishes. Oh, sorry, we are your godparents. Yep, we are your godparents. Well, thanks, Cosmo and Wanda, but maybe you should grant Tinky Winky and Poe a wish. Oh, hi, Cosmo and Wanda. Hi, Tinky Winky and Poe. Would you guys like a wish? We wish for tubby toes. Pew, pew. Well, see ya. See ya. That's all for this episode. Bye. Bye.
The cast members are Big Bird as Timmy Turner, Dipsy as Cosmo, Lala as Wanda, and Tinky Winky and Poe as Tinky Winky and Poe.
Godparents, fairly godparents. It flips your lid when you were a bird with fairly godparents. Yeah, right. Bye-bye.
Come back tomorrow for another episode of Fairly Godparents.